Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Dave and today we'll be doing the unboxing of another Google product. So this here is the Google Nest Mini. As you know, I really love unboxing Google products. It's quite an experience. The package is really well. It's a unique experience. I did quite a lot of Google unboxings, Google product unboxings. So something like the Pixel Buds A series, we did this recently. Go check out that video if you still haven't. So let's come back to this. So this here is the Google Nest Mini second generation, and this is the charcoal edition. Let me show you around the box and then we'll open it and see what contents are there. So okay, Google supported by YouTube Music, Ghana, okay, Philips Hue, you can control your lights with this one, Google Duo, Netflix, Google Assistant, okay. So list of the on the top, quantity 1, voltage wattage 120, okay, all of this technical. So the MRP of this is listed as 4,499, but you can get this for around 3,900 from Flipkart. I will put the link of that below. You can check it out from there if you want to. So the Google products, they do not specially give a lot of discounts on this, so it's usually very close to the MRP that is mentioned, okay. And here, turn up the music, different commands that you can give to it. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, works with Android and iOS, ready for wall mounting. So this apparently has wall mount. Small and mighty, okay. And what about here? Google Nest Mini charcoal. What's inside the box? Power adapter required, okay. They give the power adapter. Nest Mini controlling, all right. So, and this is made in China. Yes, the famous Google hologram. All right, so let's open the box and see. Okay, so right out of the box we have our Google Nest Mini, and we'll come back to this later. Let's see what else we have. So this is our charger, and let's take this back. So typical experience, Google experience. We also saw this during our Google Home Mini unboxing. Go check that out. I'll put the link of that above. Speaking of Home Mini, apparently this is 2 times more powerful than the Home Mini. This has 2 times the base than there is from the Home Mini, so that's one good thing. That is an upgrade from that one. So let's get started. Some booklet here. Let's bring this off. So what do we have? Oh, let's get started from Google. How to connect. So basically instructions are not very thick. Wall mount optional. Oh, respecting your privacy. So this is really important. This is how to control your privacy, how you can switch it off, turn off the microphone. So apparently Google, yeah, they take this privacy thing seriously. And some safety warnings here and compliance. Okay, and we have the plug unit. Okay, this is larger than the Home Mini that we saw earlier. I think the Home Mini was more smaller. So yeah, this is bigger, 2-pin. So this is the Indian unit, matte finish on the top. You can see the design DNA of this. They tend to use the same design elements everywhere. So you can see here, this is from my Pixel Bud. So you can see the design element. This looks really similar. So you can see Google reuse the design elements, and I really like it. So that's quite nice. And okay, some cables, and yeah, no USB-C, no micro USB. This is a pin type, if you remember from our old Nokia days. So coming to the unit, this is charcoal, as I already mentioned. So there are 4 hidden LEDs here. If you turn it on, you can see. And this is the wall mountable, so you can put it on a screw on the wall. This is not there in the Home Mini, so this is good. You can put it on your walls and save some table space. And what's made in China, model number H2C, a Google logo here, and setup code is here. So I think this might be needed. And yeah, I was talking about privacy. So with this you can mute this off on the microphone. Mute the microphone. So when you turn this off, this orange accent comes on. I really like this. So this will tell you that this is turned, the microphone is turned off, and it is on. All right. And here, okay, very good fit, as you can see. It goes inside, and that's it. So I have plugged this in. It is starting the 4 LEDs. So I wonder if this is just black and white or this has color like the Home Mini. So that answers your question. This has the color LEDs.
Hi, Namaste. To get started, download the Google Home app. आरंभ करने के लिए Google Home app download करें.
So you got the idea. The sound of this is rich, as I was saying, 2x bass. So I can hear it. The sound is much improved than the Google Home Mini. So I really like this one. And another thing that I forgot to mention earlier, this has support for Hindi. So the Google Home Mini did not have the Hindi support, but this can understand your commands in Hindi also now. So I will do the full review of this really soon. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.